Okay, so we're back again. We've got our diamonds data set once more, and I want to show you what a for loop is. Okay, so if I just type in for, it's going to give us this little helper guide thing. Okay, so it's saying for variable in a vector. So what is the vector? For this case here, let's say cut is going to be our vector. So we can go diamonds and cut, and we can get the unique elements of diamonds cut. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. So that can be our vector. We can even call it vector, or we can just plonk it in. Okay, so for each variable in, now many times you see it for each I in that. But what it's saying is it's going to iterate. Okay, so we're going to go through and do something using each of the levels of cut in our process. So we might want to do something like this. So first of all, let's just dir create. Dir exists. That's the function we were looking for before. So dir create. Let's do data store. Okay, so that's happy. We can even check over here, files, data store. There we are. So what are we going to do? So we might do this. So we can go filter value is I. Then we can go diamonds, and then we can filter by cut equals filter value. Or we could have just put I there. Okay, so all that will do is if we run it, let's have a look. It's going to go through each level. It did nothing. Maybe it did something, but it didn't tell us anything. It didn't tell us what it did. So we need to print. So we go this one here, and then bam. Okay, so there it did. So it's cycled through each of the cuts and printed out that thing. So how we might utilize this is we could go write underscore CSV, and then we can save it as separate objects within inside that data store folder. Data underscore store slash, so this is what we want to call it, something dot CSV. So we need to give it a file name, but that file name we can just create using the paste 0. So data store that, and then also the filter value, which we also could have just left as I, and then add CSV to the end of it. So yeah, one little trick is sometimes to test it out, but here it's not going to actually work for us here if we have to do this. Filter value equals fair. So if we just hide this for now and do that, if we run this section there, we can see the file name it's going to give to write CSV. So that seems to work fine. So we can actually go ahead and run this now. Oh, bear with me. Try that one more time. Unexpected dash. We didn't round out. There we go. So now it's finished. Third time lucky. Okay, so what happens is it's just gone ahead and generated those 5 CSVs. Very nifty. So that is a for loop, and you don't just have to use it to export data. You can also use it for doing operations within your data frames. Let's make another video, but this time using a for loop to import those files back in. All right.